What's up, people? So picked up this cheap little 1/18 scale RC off of A-Main on their little sale the other day. It's a Easy RC, I don't even know what it's called, but it's a FJ Cruiser. I don't know what that is. It was like 69 bucks, and man, it's horrible. I haven't really driven it on anything yet, so we're gonna drive it around here, but I wanted to pick up something cheap, just something fun to play with on this little hill here we've got. You know, it's not super big, but it's plenty big for small stuff. Imagine with these tires, they are, you know, people out the video said soft, but man, they're pretty firm. They don't flex at all, really. Just sprung suspension, of course. There's no oil dampeners or anything. Now, what I did do is I hated the electronics. They just felt horrible. So I swapped it out. I had some old proboat stuff that we pulled out and we built some of the little jet boats, made them brushless. Well, I had some of the electronics, the stock electronics at least, from those. So I stripped the board down and decased it and put it in here. Soldered in some tabs off the other one to that motor, and ran the proboat. Oh, it's not going to focus, of course, but the proboat servo in there. And that's more power than the other. Much smoother, low end control. So it was horrible. You just had to floor it everywhere when it was stock. We're gonna let's find some little lines here to see what happens. It's all ought to be a challenge for this thing. Let's see. Might have to bump it on this little spot. Oh. Oh, she's definitely gonna flip. Let's see if we can find our way to this rock hill here. But we could make it up that. I can't imagine. We'll just have to hit it and run. Yeah. Let's get back. Definitely gonna buy a set of tires for this thing. I'm not gonna change anything else in it, but it could very much so use a set of tires. And some weight, and some shocks, and a different chassis, and better electronics. You know, you could use all of that. You can make it up with some balance. Oh, no way. Come on, little truck, you got it. Oh. That worked out a lot better than I thought. Maybe, I think we're going to hit that sun really quick with some wide open throttle. Be right back. Well, that was cool. Let's see if we can go down the big rock hill. I mean, I know we can get down it, but, you know, see if we can traverse it. The CSC has got much better lowering control than the stock one did. Oh yeah. Oh no! All the way down to get stumped by that guy. That guy there. Man. Look at how much fun these little things can be. And not needing any kind of crazy terrain. This is just a hill of dirt we had here from the track we were going to use, and cut a couple little chunks in it for the bigger trucks. And of course, they never really had any problems on any of this, but oh. No. I think I found this thing's favorite activity. Rolling over. Let's see what it can do off the slope. Right, nice and slow first. Let's see if these tires will rip it. Ooh, let's carry the tire. Let's pick the tire up. Interesting. Oh, let's see if we can handle it this side. Nice. I'm sure it can't come up that deep. So we got it planned out. Send it. Oh, just trying to keep it all over the back bumpers. Definitely. Back down. Let's see if we can drag it up. That's definitely wedged. I have to turn it out. Mirrors catching it. Oh, we got past the mirror. Stuff the front of the rock. Yeah, we're not going. Oh! Well, that's a line that's definitely gonna take some work. Honestly though, it's really fun with the challenge. Over all this time having all these, specific built rigs, and my only small truck I had, we immediately stripped down and made the little Ecto 1 comp crawler out of it, and it would hang, 90-degree angles, and you could just walk over boxes and all. It was far from a challenge on anything around here. So this is rather nice to have something that can only do about 40% of what I got here. Lots of room for improvements on the tracks and on the truck even. Oh, let's try this. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, nice. Got extra weight in the rear. Don't mind going down. Let's try this one more time and then I'm hanging her up, guys. So it's been fun chatting, and hope you enjoy the video. Hopefully the audio is good, and I actually pointed the camera in the right direction, because I honestly haven't been paying too much attention. Oh, come on. Yes. Drum up, got it. That was quick. All right, guys, there you go. Small little truck, small little hill, good times. See you on the next one. Peace.